Hello everyone, hi po. Rishi. It's only for 90 pesos, so let's unbox it.
What line cross between nagkamali lang yung isang public official sa pag-deliquidate and at what point is it criminal? I just wanted to give it.
I will be clarifying that during my second round.
Then I will leave it up to you. I apologize prosecution and the defense will have a chance to answer that during the time of the deciding officer you will take it. Or maybe it's even in the information.
Thank you for your understanding. Senator Judge Soto for his
Super glossy.
available round.
There's no airbag
Yung
hands yet.
presiding officer na Senator Nick Sumili, former Senate President, somehow incurred my cerebral quietness when he said something about the issue of this. So this question would be, as a senator, not just a
Kailangan lang natin gawin, mag-save ng mag-save.
just confession for
Okay,
the
para may pamilya.
witness.
Mamaya na eh.
And we can get the
I'm recording.
Ha?
prosecution panel and the defense panel to give their opinion. Alright? Yung confidential word, kasi pag ginagamit, parang intelligence eh. Parang narubinig. Diba? Parang siya sa ko. So, hindi sa
I have to hold the camera.
bakit hindi sa mga delusional and we want to opinion para mas mag-conform sa circular law? Palitan natin, huwag na confidential ito, hindi natin restricted funds or non-public funds. Ganun pa rin, diba? Private, but open. Naintindihan na nila na hindi ko today, sabi ko, na hindi ito pwedeng nilalaman ako dito. Something to that effect. Just the opinion of the
indulgence of Senator Judge Soto, it's good to stand up once in a while for being seated for a long time, but the chair will not allow counsels to respond and give their opinion on the matter, but simply allow the witness to answer, similar to the chair's ruling, the relation that occurred earlier of Senator Judge Soto.
Yes,